Welcome to the 800 Club. In this video, I'll show you guys how to get approved for an apartment with bad credit and with a CPN number. If you don't know what CPN number is, it's basically like an SSN. It's like your social, but it's a fake number, and you can do the same thing as your actual social when it comes to applying for credit cards, loans, this and that, car approvals, mortgages. So the best way to get approved for an apartment is to find one that isn't so strict with the requirements. Okay, so some will ask you for 3 times the income. Some will ask for tax returns. So the more they ask you for the requirements, you guys got to stay out of those areas. Those are highly secured. Stay away if you're trying to use a CPN. You got to find one that only takes bank statements, take Cash App statements, really friendly, low income. Those are the types you want to apply for, especially the ones who offer 0 down on the security deposits. The ones that are really strict, you got to have a lot of money just to apply for those type of apartments. But if you guys are trying to find ones to Airbnb, especially, just find the ones that are chill, easy approved, not so strict. Don't ask for too many documentations. You don't want to deal with those. So most likely stay away from the luxury apartments. Just get a decent, cheap apartment, and then later on just upgrade to a home. But to be honest with you guys, it's actually easier to get approved for a rental home than an apartment, because most rental homes, it's like you get a landlord that owns it. He's paying off the mortgage, but the guy, he gets tired of paying the home, so he's trying to find someone to rent it out so you guys can pay for his mortgage until he pays it off and sell off the house. So it's better to get approved for a rental home than an apartment, just because the owner is more flexible. He's trying to find someone that can pay the bills. Most likely, most of the people I talk to, they don't really ask for income. If he can trust you by your vibe, you're going to get approved, especially with CPN. They don't really ask for CPNs. All you got to do is give them cash. Literally, the home rental is the best thing to do. If you know people that owns a home, you can just talk to them, friends and family members. Any one of those people will own a home and try to lease it, literally just make some connections. But if you're trying to get approved with bad credit, either boost your credit score, get a co-signer. Another thing to do is add rent reporters. This will report your previous rent onto your credit. If you have evictions, don't do it. I recommend you go through tradelines.com. You can add rental history this way. So if you want 2 years of history, which is all you need, 2 years is all you need, $300. If you want more rental history, you can add more. But honestly, all you need is 2 years, so $300 is a pretty good price to pay. It report the whole 2 years as pretty much a on-time payment. So I recommend you guys do that. So if you add rent reporters or a rental trade line, you get approved right off the bat. Some don't really care about the rent reporting or rental trade lines. If you have a good credit score with paid off loans, cars, or just good history in general, you will get approved.